Hi, it's Professor Jeremiah with Odyssey Martial Arts, and I'm here with Coach Krystal and our kids coach Xavier. Here to show you some mount escapes. So, let me demonstrate and then I'll break down some of the details. Coach Krystal's going to do it as well, with a slight variation. That's so perfect. So, with this escape, this is a great escape for anyone if you're the smaller person. I had us use Coach Xavier as the uke so you can see with two different body types. So when they're up, I may be going for my standard knee to elbow or like the buck and roll escape, but this is when they're down and they're crushing me. So if you have the flexibility like Coach Krystal did, maybe you can just use your foot to catch on to that leg. However, if you're built like me or if you're taller than the person that's mounted, and you can't catch it with just your leg, you can use the hand assist. It's very important that whether I use the pant sleeves or I get my hand underneath and just pull up on the foot, that I still have my elbow in, so I'm not leaving lots of space for them to underhook. After I trap the foot, I pinch my knees together, I push my toes into the mat, and I slightly raise their knee. All I need is to just barely get it off of the ground. Once I raise their knee, I can push with my elbow, pushing their leg down as I bring my knee up towards myself. Boom. From here, I could get onto my side and play half guard, but we're just gonna go flat. I get my frames, bridge up into them, hip escape out, and then finding the closed guard. So, Coach Xavier, if you scoot to the side, Coach Krystal, I'll have her do it to me as well. Just so you can see, so depending on the height, look at how easy it's gonna be for this smaller person to be able to just reach over whoop, and catch that leg, right? If necessary, you could also use the hand assist as I did. It's gonna make it even easier. There's just always pros and cons. If you use the hand assist, maybe they're gonna be looking for that pummel, so you have to be on your toes to make sure that you're aware of all of their potential counters. And we could go to half guard from here, or we can go to the closed guard as we have been doing. She bridges, makes some space afterwards, boom, and ta-da. That is escaping from the mount using the Helio Gracie or the leg trap method, number one. I'll show us one more variation in another video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you picked up some details.